Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government of the Republic of Zambia, I reaffirm our commitment to working hand in hand with all stakeholders to build a greener, safer and more prosperous future. We worked with Green Cosmos on solid waste management initiatives. So this is a testament to both the government's commitment and Green Cosmos' relentless dedication to this cause. Okay, I congratulate you. The Waste to Wealth project is yet another bold step forward, turning waste into an opportunity for income generation, job creation and environmental restoration. Historically, DMMU's mandate was centered on disaster preparedness and response, but there has been a paradigm shift over the years. And our role has extended to include and integrate issues of climate change, because these are emerging issues. And institutions of development, institutions of disaster response have also shifted their focus to also include climate change issues and disaster risk management issues. So that we are not only reactive but proactive in our approach. So DMMU and other government institutions with other partners like Green Cosmos have been working towards achieving the strategic objectives in this pillar in the 8th National Development Plan. We are also co-anchoring issues with the Ministry of Green Economy and Environment on loss and damage related to climate change. As you all know, when climate change hits, you have losses. Your infrastructure gets damaged. The councillor mentioned how floods affect communities and households where they need to be moved, they are displaced. So all those issues of loss and damage, DMMU works with the Ministry of Green Economy and other stakeholders in that area. We are also working with the Ministry of Green Economy because they are the lead in climate change issues. That is their core mandate. So we support them, we collaborate with them, and also other NGOs, CSOs work with them as a lead institution around all matters of climate change, adaptation, mitigation, resilience building, loss and damage. All those issues are within the portfolio framework for the Ministry of Green Economy and Environment. So invited guests, Zambia continues to face the reality of climate change, and the Honorable has alluded to this. We have a challenge not only in Zambia but globally. Martin has also alluded to this, the project manager has alluded to this. So it goes without saying, and this climate change has caused variability in terms of weather. You have floods this season, the next you have extreme drought, and because of this, our collective challenge is not only to adapt, but to also harness innovation, partnerships like we are doing today, and community resilience in line with our national vision, the Vision 2030. So to this end, we have been strengthening early warning systems to ensure timely alerts for droughts. I'm sure you've received some messages on your phone. That's an example of early warning systems. Whenever there is a cholera outbreak, there are floods, you receive those messages. Whenever there are diseases, livestock or human-related, that is DMMU and the entire government system working to warn the community. We have been conducting annual in-depth vulnerability and needs assessments, okay, to understand at community level, okay, what climate risks you face and to guide our intervention. We have also been coordinating the mainstreaming of climate resilience into national and sub-national planning, okay, thereby ensuring that our infrastructure is resilient, our agriculture is climate informed, and of course to inform social protection programs. We are also supporting local authorities in developing climate resilient infrastructure in line with our 8th National Development. As we implement the 8th NDP, we must rally more actors to invest in climate smart and environmentally sustainable initiatives. Government's legal and policy frameworks, from the recently enacted Green Economy and Climate Change Act to also the Disaster Risk Management Policy, all these frameworks, including the climate policy, provide an enabling environment for such partnerships. I therefore encourage the private sector, I'm reiterating what the Honorable has mentioned and what was mentioned. I encourage the private sector to leverage green financing and invest in circular economy ventures. CSOs and NGOs, okay, to work with the government in scaling community level adaptation and resilience building solutions like this one. I wish Green Cosmos, Zambia and all your partners great success as we embark on this important journey. Thank you and God bless you.